Houston, we've had a problem.
Hey, Lamar Ellis here, Drone Education Services. Have you ever lost your drone in the tree? Well, I haven't, but my friend has. Anyway, this is his drone, and this is us capturing the footage of Normer with Kathmandu getting it out of the tree. Now, Normer is a cat rescue specialist, and he actually has rescued a couple of drones, and today we've challenged him to get a drone from 75 feet on a thin limb.
This is Drone Rescue 360. I'm here just on the other side of I-75, and there's a drone up here about 70 feet, I believe, out on a limb, and I'm gonna go up and get it. Okay, I'm Normer Adams. I rescue cats and drones, and I just have my own rescue group of one person, Kathmandu Rescue. I do most of the cats, but I love to do drones too. I've done a couple of parrots and anything else that might find themselves up in the tree. I've rescued over 360 cats and drones. I don't do this as work. I do it as a advocation, I guess. I was climbing trees recreationally, and that's fun, but it wasn't real challenging. And I tell you what, it's made me a much better climber. Cats and drones make me do things I would never do. Here we go, shooting. If I get this, I am incredible. Oh!
Nice!
Did you do it?
Right through. Went right through.
Okay, you see that crotch up there? I'm what they call isolating the limb, or isolating that crotch. So the bottle, what the bottle does, pulls the string down. Okay, and it's isolated. Okay, now I know that'll hold me. I'm gonna climb up this rope, and once I get up to that crotch, I'm gonna have to set another line up above where I'm set there, and climb up to the limb that the drone is on, and then I'm going to probably do a pole grab and get it. So I'm just strategizing how I'm going to get up there. Okay, that's what I'm going to do. One thing I love about tree climbing is taught me about knots and how to use knots. It's called an alpine butterfly.
So you're going to anchor that at the top?
At the top. Step. And so I pull it up to the top, and that's a top anchor. All I gotta do is walk up it now. Yeah, all I gotta do is walk up it. Called a unisender. It's my ascending and descending device. It's my knee ascender and my foot ascender.
Clear for takeoff. There you go. Don't need this cord. After drone rescue. Rescue number 360. There's your drone. The drone that I rescued today, I would have never gone out on that limb. just for fun. Never, never. But to get that drone, to get close enough to pluck it off the limb. Now, here today, what I learned is if you got the option to go straight up or to go up a slanted limb, go straight up. Because that slanted limb really, I mean, I had to crawl up that limb. That took time and it was strenuous.
Dang it. Yes.